Okay, so what have I done to this poor guitar? It started out life, and I guess it still is. It's an Ibanez. Yes, it's an Ibanez AF55TR, which is a very budget model. Very budget. And to make it even more budget, I bought it in a pawn shop. Didn't look like this when I started. Sanded it down, stripped all the stuff off. Sanded it down, took it to a buddy of mine he sprayed this thing down with this nice glossy paint, black. And I got it home. I leveled and crowned the frets and put on a Gibson 490 pickup, which is quite a nice pickup actually, especially in this position. I'm impressed. Didn't put in the bridge pickup again because I wanted a single pickup, and I didn't feel like I'd ever used the bridge pickup on this guitar. I have other guitars that added on a mahogany bridge, and the rest of it is pretty much stock. Oh, I did replace the pots, volume and tone control. The pots are much better quality than they were. Soldered it all together, put it together, and damn, it plays really nice. So yes, having the tools to level and crown frets is a wonderful thing, because I do that to a lot of the guitars I bought, even fresh out of the store. I tend to find that it just adds a little bit nicer feel to them. Anyways, I did leave the tuners and the trapeze, the tailpiece. Those are stock. I didn't replace the frets on this guitar. I think I've got it with the paint invested in this. I had the pickup sitting around, and I've got all the tools, and that cost me about $30 on eBay. Paint cost me about, what was it, $30, and I forget what I paid for it, $350, something like that, Canadian. So for $400, this is a really nice guitar. Other than the paint and the Gibson pickup and getting it lowered, yeah, it's pretty much stock. Now, I do have to tell you something that we did find. We did a matte finish on this, but I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I think you can just see it. There's a little bit of a crack where the laminated material started to crack up a little bit with the new paint. And so that's kind of a little weird, but, nobody sees that. I'm not that fussy. That's the story of this poor guitar that has been modified to look much better than it would have suggested coming out of the factory. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Do check back on the channel, subscribe, hit the bell button, hit like for this video, because it'd be great to show videos like this to more people, and that would really help me with this channel. So thank you. All the best to you.